Okay. Okay, today what we will do
Open this box.
and what it has inside this box.
Shoes.
Oh, for whom?
Me.
For Saksham?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
Open.
I'll open it. Okay, please help me to open this box.
Okay.
Okay. And this shoes is for Saksham Malla. Okay.
So easy to cut.
Yeah, it's very easy to cut. This one is very nice knife. Okay. Oh, which color is this shoes?
Baba.
Yes. Yes, what do you want to say?
Oh,
No, it's not yet finished. Okay.
you forgot to cut this line over here.
Yes, I forgot that tape. Okay.
Whoa.
Wow, this one is for just to protect these shoes.
How?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Like this.
Yes. Oh, surprised. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, so many tapes. So, from where shall I start? From this side, maybe. I'll check. Okay. Yes, it's very easy to cut using this knife.
yes, and don't forget to cut this side.
Okay. Thank you. Maybe. Okay, now this one is remaining. Okay. So this shoes has lights.
Yes.
Ah. Wow. So interesting.
This how
Wow.
don't have lobes.
No need. Wow.
Cut it.
What a nice shoes.
And interesting.
Wow, interesting.
Rollers.
It has rollers also.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
See?
Tsuga
But how to install those rollers? Check. Is there any instruction? There is one instruction. Please check it. Okay, and please tell me how to fit these rollers, wheels. Wow, mommy.
This?
See,
Wow.
Yes, this is
this
maybe.
is a charger.
Yes, this is the wheels.
Yes.
Check this one. Check this one. See?
Yeah. There is one space for wheels.
Oh.
Ah. Mommy, we can cover these wheels also.
Oh, wow.
Very interesting.
Interesting.
Yes. If we don't want to use these wheels,
We
we
can
can just
cover
cover
it.
it.
Wow.
Very nice.
This must be the on button.
Yeah, this must be the on button. Seems like this on and off button, switch.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
How to put this charger now?
Now how to put this charger. Please check the instruction. See the instruction.
So what are those? Those are wheels?
Yes, those are wheels.
Wow.
This is what?
And this one is, I think, the lock. If you don't want to use these wheels, you
You
can
can
just
lock them.
cover it. Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Just try. Yes. Like this. Mommy, see? It's very easy to fit.
But hard to fit.
Just push.
Really?
Just push it. But it's quite hard, mommy.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Wow. You could not fit it? Okay, try.
What is this instruction? This one.
Yes. Wow. Wow, it has got wheels also.
Wow.
Saksham, what is the size of these shoes? What is the size?
What is your size?
What is your size?
90?
19? You are?
19.
Yes, 19. 19.
19. This shoes has 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19.5.
Ah, yes.
19.5.
19.5. No, no, it's 19. 1919. See here? 1919.
Oh, why don't you think the 5?
No, no, no. Your size, shoe size is 19. Mommy, how can we charge these shoes?
Using the USB cable? Is it so?
What is this for? This one looks like a key to open something. Ah, there is one instruction. Check this one. See? Ah, if you want to take out these wheels,
Mm.
you should use this one.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. If you don't use this, if in case you don't want to use these wheels, there is one cover for each shoe.
Mm.
Okay. Just take out and cover this one with this part cover.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. So now how to turn on this light?
Ah, there's a.
Wow, very nice shoes. Wow, nice color combination, black and white. So does these shoes have light?
Yes. See.
Wow.
But
Oh. How to make just. And what about this one? This it has no light.
Yes. Has light.
It has light. How to turn on? Ah, so interesting. It has lights as well as wheels.
wow.
See, mom? Wow. So, what? See?
Wow.
Wait.
Wow, very nice. Such interesting shoes.
Wait.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I want to turn the shoes off.
Ah, okay. Why? Why you want to turn the switch off? Okay. Now you want to put on that shoes.
Yes. Hard.
Ah, it's very hard. Okay. Okay. Now try to use
Wait.
the shoes. Put here.
Wait.
Wow. Yes. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
This one.
Okay, this one also. Very nice shoes. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Okay, just try. But be careful.